have to tell you a story.
Yes,
We
please.
did one outreach class. Well, we've done several at Oakwood Apartments here in town in Castle
Oh,
Rock.
yeah.
And I went one night to take pictures and just say hi to everybody as Chelsea was teaching. And I noticed one woman wasn't participating.
Mm,
And she said, "Well, I'm just too tired tonight."
mm.
And I said, "Okay." And Chelsea keeps her in the class anyway. And I said, "Well, I was hoping I'd get a picture of your parrot that you all did last week." She said, "I'll be right back." And
Oh,
she got up, she went to her apartment, came back, brought me her parrot
I
picture,
love it.
which was beautiful.